Well, here's an early inbox look of the very new Suyata Titanic and iceberg scene with seals, all of which are named. Let's have a look inside the rather sizable box for such a small model. This is one of the cartoon style models, misshapen egg shape, if you will, and the instruction manual is a huge bound book, so there's a lot of parts for an egg-shaped model here. Decking is molded on, but there's already laser-cut wooden deck available. Full upper structure has to be built. This has far more parts and far more detail than the readily available Meng version of the Titanic in tune scale. As with the plans, all the parts are molded in correct color or already painted. Suyata from Hong Kong has only 3 models at the moment, 2 of the Titanic and 1 of the Fokker DR1 with the Red Baron included. So let's put that aside. Let's look in the box. Okay, there's our main hull. Let's have a look at it. Well, they have added the paint, the white, to the top of the black hull itself. And if you don't want to do waterline, they have the actual lower red hull as well that will fit on. That is beautifully done, full molding of the panel lines. This one comes with icebergs and seals, a whole family of seals to sit on your iceberg. Don't know why. There are a lot of decking parts in this kit. There are multiple decks, and as I said, you can buy extra laser cut wooden ones as well. For this, propellers will need to be painted a bronze gold. Funnels are a strange orange, but it's beautifully slip molded. These are exquisitely done one-piece rounds. Easy to paint, but already a beautiful shape with highly advanced slip molding. And the last bag, we have to get inside there. Has the funnel tops and the base. And the main deckings. Lovely. So if you choose to paint, fine, you can use that. If you choose to put the wood on, no problem. There's a small addendum of things to cut off. And then there is, okay, the only decal, unfortunately, is just for the base, says Titanic, so there's no deckling for the hull itself. Bit of a disappointment, but a lovely model, great molding, incredible amount of detail for what's a cartoon egg type. Let's have a look in another bag. More top of deck pieces. And all the lifeboats, the walls, cranes, derricks, skylights, lots of little moldings for windows. Beautifully done. Well, there's one more piece. The reds have the anchors and they have the fittings for the outboard screws. So, all in all, a beautiful, beautifully molded kit, which is promising to go together quite well and give you a happy outcome. If you want to detail it even more, there's other parts available, or you could do it with your kids in a few hours. So yeah, I think we've got a winner from the new Suyata model company in Hong Kong.